Gary Rice'la birlikteyiz şu anda. Welcome.
Thank you.
So what are your first impressions about the event so far?
I think it's fantastic. It's great to see a whole lot of industry coming together, both from a media owner side, client side, agency side, and talking about some really hot topics at the moment. And hopefully everyone can leave here on allied forces and continue to move digital forward.
So you talked about optimization just a minute ago. What are the most exciting recent trends except optimization?
I think some of them, the biggest ones being in my space at the moment about viewability. I think there's a lot of issues that are around the topic at this point in time, and I think it's something that we all need to solve, because at the end of the day it is having an effect on our overall optimization. So the two go hand in hand. So I think that's probably one of our hottest topics that we're dealing with at the moment within South Africa.
So let's say you'll be here next year. Regarding your field of expertise, what will we talk about next year in AdColony Intelligence Summit?
I think it's probably, I don't think it will be essentially what we need to talk about, but it's what we've done. So it's working together to bring it forward and discuss things that have been solved and things that have been improved, and almost setting the KPIs and the objectives to what we need to achieve in the coming years. So
Thank you very much.
thank you.